How to sign up for a new account on Amazon Flex. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to sign up for a new account on Amazon Flex. Now, before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your web browser and simply search for Amazon Flex login and hit enter. Now, once you do that, it will show you the Amazon Flex delivery driver. So here you can just open up the link. And from here, you can just adjust your cookie preference. And then from here, what you can do is simply scroll down and read out what you need to be on Amazon Flex. So you'll have to download the application first. And once you download the application, you can just click on it to get the app. Now, once you download the app, there on the homepage, you'll have to follow the on-screen instruction. You'll have to provide some documents as well. So here you have to live in a city where Amazon Flex operates, be 18 or older, have a valid UK driver's license, and entitled to work in the UK. You should have a mid-sized vehicle with 5 seats or larger and commercial insurance policy, and then have an iPhone or Android that works. Then you can just pass the background check. And once all of the ID verifications are complete, then you can register to become a Amazon Flex driver. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on the next one.